Listen to me, men, this noise, never a good noise. In the history of noises, I've been all over the fucking globe, all over the world, it's a universal bad gagging noise. It means I'm gonna vomit. Anytime you hear, never does it mean we should press the head down that's making this noise and hold it. If your cat was making that noise, anyone in here be like, yeah, oh, shove the cat's face in the carpet. Hold the face in the, oh, it's eating something even better. Tell it to eat it. Tell it, eat the whole treat. Eat the whole treat. Take it, you love it.